Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to explore Canva a little more, looking at some of the hidden gems that are available in Elements utilizing certain keywords. All right, so let's head straight into it. Once you glitter, so once you have selected Elements, we're just going to type in glitter and press enter and select whatever color that you would want to streamline. You also have the ability to decide on the orientation, whether it be square, vertical, or horizontal. In respect of animation, you can determine if you want a static or an animated look. All right, and once you have selected your options, you simply apply filters. You guys know I like to utilize the free options, so you can go through and look for the free options that are available. I'm just going to select this one, and guys, you're able to get the glitter look for whatever publication you may be doing or whatever post that you may be making. So we're moving right along. Similar to glitter, another awesome keyword that's available in Elements with Canva is sparkle. So you just want to type in sparkle, and again, you get the various options. So you just go through them to see which one suits you or is in alignment with your theme for your book or for your post. All right. Again, we have the static options. We have the animated options. Whichever you choose will depend on the look that you are going for. All right. So just so that this can show up some more, I'm just going to change the background. And let's make the background. All right, so we can see the difference in the colors. And also you have the option of adjusting this to suit whatever you are going to do. Next up, we have organic drawing. So just typing in organic drawing. And we'll see the various options that are available. If you're looking for specific graphic options, well, then you could select such photos, videos, audio. All right, I like to keep it on all so that we can see all the possible options that are available utilizing this keyword. So organic drawings, you just continue to go through it and you will see the various options available, both the free and the pro options. I'm just going to select this option just so that you have an idea in terms of the type of elements that you would obtain with organic drawing. Moving right along, we're going to 3D workplace. You simply type in 3D workplace and hit that enter button, and you will see the options available to you. And there are some extremely cool features on the 3D workplace option. However, you have to go through them if you are looking to get a free option versus a pro. All right, so there are some cool free ones available, but you will have to take your time and go through the options available. So I'm just going to select these 3D balloons for now as an example of what you can obtain. Move on to our next keyword, which is positive quotes. So just type in positive quotes in the search bar and select enter, and you will see the different options again. I'm just going to select the first one. Dream big, work hard, make it happen. right? So you can simply utilize this quote in your KDP book. Maybe you're into printing. You can utilize this on jerseys, on cups, and you can even make it your own. You can edit it in terms of its look, in terms of its content, by simply selecting it. Here you can change the color. So if you want a brighter color pattern, you can adjust it to suit. All right. If you have a particular theme you're working with, you can adjust it as well in terms of the outlook of it. So you can just simply select and the color options will come up. The options relative to the color will come up and you can adjust each one individually. All right. Moving on to our next keyword is curvy photos. All right, so these are some of the options here. I'm just going to select the first one, the coconut tree. And as I said before, once you select an option, an element on Canva, Canva provides you with more recommendations of similar options that you can go through to determine what else you may want to add, if you may still want to utilize the initial option that you chose, or you may see a better option available. So these are great features if you are creating your KDP book cover, if you are creating a storybook. These are some great keywords that can be utilized to get you the look that you are going for. All right, so I'm just randomly selecting options just to show you what can be done when you select curvy photos as a keyword. All right, and we're heading back. We're going to look at our next option, gradients. So we simply type in gradients. And these are the options available. I'm just going to select one. I like to start from the corner and then stretch the picture to fill the entire poster. All right, and just like that, you have your gradient look. I'm just gonna select this option just to show you again the type of options available. I'm gonna change the background color so that it's more visible. And next up, we're gonna look at watercolor. So we can simply press Ctrl A and select that, then press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, or we can type in the word watercolor. All right, so there are some cool options available with this. Right. And as usual, Canva gives us even more recommendations based on what we would have initially selected. Next up, so we're just going to hit the back button again to ensure that we enter the information correctly. We are just going to select Ctrl A to highlight the entire search term, then Control C to copy it. And we head over to the search bar and select Control V and enter. And the options are right there. So this provides us another option to get gradients, overlays, beyond that of simply typing the word gradient. You're going to move right along to the next option. Again, we want to select the whole thing. So as opposed to typing it out, we can simply select Control A, then Control C, clear what we would have searched before, and Control V is to be selected here, and enter. And we are seeing the options available on Canva. There's some cool options here. So maybe you're doing a birthday card, maybe you're doing a thank you to your followers. Whatever you are doing, this is just some key element, keywords that can be used to get the look that you are going for. All right, so I'm just gonna select this one so that you can see what it looks like. And let's say we just want to insert a text above it. We can simply type T and it would open a text box for us. And we can add in terms of the size that we would want it to be. And I'm just going to type in thank you. All right. If we want it to be bigger, we can continue to enlarge it. And then we can go into effects and adjust the look of the thank you. So if you're looking for the neon look, you can adjust it to suit the offset, the direction, the color, and the shape. All right, so if you want it to be curved, you want it to be straight, all these are options that are available. All right, so just insert the thank you for you to see how you can use this element and you can adjust it to suit. All right. Can also adjust the background color as you know. Moving right along to our last keyword, and one that I really like to use. Again, Control A to select all, Control C to copy, and Control V to paste, and select enter. So these are the type of options you would get with this keyword term. I'm just going to select this option and probably do a van, right? So this option gives you some really cool elements that you can utilize for whatever publication that you may be involved in. So guys, all of the keywords that we spoke about today would be outlined in the description box, so you can simply copy and paste it into your Canva search bar to get the benefits of these elements. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.